Hi, welcome back to Real Estate tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'll be talking about how to add stages in your project. So, as an executive manager or as a manager, you've created a project. How to then add stages in this project, I'm going to be showing you. Earlier on, I was able to create a project. I showed you how to create a project. Now, I'm going to do that. I'm going to open that project right now. So, we use the buy house as the project. So this is the project. If you notice, this project is already assigned to me. I'm the lead head of this project because I created the project. So now I'm going to click on this project. And now you see that we've gotten to this place and then it tells me now that I should add stages to this project. So now I'll go ahead and name the stage. Let's say I'll call the stage new and click on add. I go to next one, ideas, click on add, ideas, add. I go on and on and on and on and on, right? So I can even go ahead and now create a new project and it's going to fall under new, like I showed you earlier how to create tags. I hope this video was helpful and you were able to understand the purpose of this project creation. Thank you.